Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
For sure, big congratulations. The Aisha trailer is getting a huge response from the audience. For sure, we'd like to know about your character you're playing in the Princess.
Thank you. We are also really happy to see the response. People have been waiting for it, so we're very grateful that people still love the franchise and are really excited to see it. My character is Abigail, or Abby. If you watch the previous seasons, you will know that she's a vigilante hacker. She's the person who's helped Sam code Aisha. She's a very strong girl, very opinionated, very stubborn, but she's very complex. She has a backstory which is dark, and Maya is her safe haven, and she's fiercely protective of it. In season 3, you will see her trajectory, you will see her different sides of her personality because of the circumstances and situations she's put in. So I think from being more controlled and level-headed, you see a more hot-headed side of Abby. She's like the angry young woman, the angry young girl is what I like to say.
Okay, Rashmi, it's in third season. The people are getting huge expectations from the third season.
Yes.
First and second are getting successfully from the audience side.
Yeah.
So do you feel burden or for this third season because the expectation getting more and more?
Not a burden, but of course you want to deliver more. I think you want to work that much harder. Because we love the franchise as well. These are characters that we really are fond of and care about, you know, especially when you've played it over a period of time or you've resumed a character, you get attached to it. So we want, and the loyalty of the audience is such that it really makes you want to put in your best effort. I think we've managed to do it. Rest we'll leave the audience to find out, but I think you will not be disappointed, you as in the audience will not be disappointed by the twists and turns, and I can bet anything that you will be surprised, especially at the end.
Okay, you have done a full feature film and a web series both. So do you
Yes.
feel any difference between both the medium?
I'm actually shooting for my third film, and I've done like 4 web series. So, and I've actually worked on all mediums. I've worked in television, I've worked in web, I've worked in film, I've worked on stage, and I've worked in ads. Honestly, as an actor, your job is not any different. On every set is the same. Of course, the reach and the audience become different with each medium. Some mediums have a wider reach. But that's also subjective. I think it's just the target audience that's different. Television is a different target audience, web has a different target audience, films have a different target audience. I personally don't feel it's much different. I enjoy other mediums. I enjoy film and I enjoy web. Also, perhaps because of the kind of subjects that are being chosen in those mediums in particular, the stories that are being told, I think they are more relevant to today's day and age. I connect with them more. So मुझे मज़ा आता है. You know, I love to watch films. I've grown up watching films. We all have, you know, and there's this. I think they have a reach and the larger than life quality, which is always very appealing to any performer. And web, of course, for its great reach, hands down.
Okay, Rashi ma'am,
Yes.
as you have told that you have done different platforms, you have
Yes.
performed art, all the platforms,
Yes.
and different characters.
Yeah.
So is there any dream role of yours that you wanted to do?
Dream role, that's very limiting, but I would love to do something like a La La Land. I act, dance and sing. I'm a professionally trained actor, dancer and singer. So to be able to combine everything that I do would be amazing for me. I would love to do something like that.
Okay, as you have said that you're working for your third film,
Yes.
and if I'm not right, you're working for a Brahmastra.
Yes.
So would you like to say something about your character or anything?
I'm not allowed to say anything. I will get whooped. But it's a fun part, and the rest you will have to watch and tell me.
Okay. Would you like to share the experience working with Aya Mukherjee?
It's been wonderful. He's such a great guy. You know, I think I've been very lucky in the kind of people that I've gotten to work with. They're all very nice people. Of course, they're brilliant at what they do, but I think for me it's very important to work with nice people because Otherwise, what are we doing? You do these things. You're an artist for the love of it, and if you don't have love and you don't have respect and you don't feel happy on a set, then seriously, what are we doing? So I think he's a brilliant guy over and above everything else, and shooting with him is fun. It's really fun.
Okay, lastly, ma'am, anything you'd like to say to your fans? The Aisha is going to release very soon.
Yes, please watch Aisha Season 3. It's releasing on 4th of March. Watch it on array.co.in, on the Array app, on MX Player. Thank you for your love and support. It means the world. It is what we live for. It is what makes us want to work harder. So thank you, and keep showering me and Aisha with your love and support.
Thank you.
Thank you.